Okay, so for level 5, we want to compose a syncopated beat. You can keep it simple here. So let's go to drums and just find something you like. Might go for something electronic. Let's try out this, why not? Okay, so we want something syncopated. This is quite bassy, that kick drum, so if you don't hear it that well, it might just be because of your speakers. So just something syncopated. Okay, something like that. Okay, that's got a bit of syncopation to it. So let's record that. And that's fine. You can do 4 bars, you can do 1 bar, you can do 2 bars. I'm doing 2 bars, which I will loop. So make that 2 bars long, and then I'll loop it. Loop. There we go.